You've decided on a product and service you want to offer. You've got your branding down. You've got a logo. You've got a website. Now it's time to do some marketing for your business and bring in customers. Most businesses make it through the brand creation part and deciding what product or service they want to offer. But whenever it comes to marketing their product and service and bringing clients in, they fall flat on their faces. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 profitable ways that you can do effective marketing for your business in 2023. My name's Harry, and I help entrepreneurs, small business owners, and marketing agency owners learn how to successfully market their brands. I do this by helping teach you the tips and tricks that I've learned from being a professional digital marketer for the past 7 years. During my journey, I built my own successful digital marketing agency, I scaled it, and then I sold it. And now I'm doing these videos to try to help you get farther ahead than what I did and learn from my mistakes. If you're wanting to learn how to do effective marketing for your business in 2023, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's dive in. But wait, subscribe now, and I'm going to show you a really funny meme in about 5 seconds.
Mais segura vai bater!
Para, Henrique! Para disso, Henrique! Idiota!
Alright, back to the video. Number 1 up on the list for ways to market your business profitably in 2023 is content marketing. What the heck is content marketing, you may ask? Bombarding your prospects, leads, and potential customers with messages to buy is a big marketing no-no. You'll earn a negative experience for your potential customers whenever they see these ads, and you won't build any trust with your target audience. That's where content marketing comes into play. Content marketing is a long game. People aren't going to trust your brand overnight just because you launched a new product or service. But if you create consistent, valuable, high-quality content, then your target audience will look to you as the go-to expert in your field. With a content marketing-centered approach, your primary goal is to create content that your target audience finds value in. That's going to be YouTube videos, online tutorials, ebooks, PDFs, online guides. It gives you an opportunity to really entertain, connect, and educate your target audience on how products and services work in the industry that they're interested in. And they'll consider you an authority in the space. Once they consider you an authority in the space, then you will start to build trust with them, and they'll consider you a valuable resource and look to you for guidance on whatever problems they're experiencing and how they can solve them. And that will lead to you bringing in more clients and more leads for your business. Content marketing is not a standalone marketing strategy though. Since content marketing is the long game and it's going to take a while to see results from it, you need to have other marketing strategies that you're doing to generate leads for your business. You should do things like SEO, search engine optimization, Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, YouTube ads, anything that's going to help you get in front of your target audience, get their attention, and then they'll go to your profile or your account and they'll see this beautiful content you've been creating and you'll build trust with them. So you need to have a well-balanced approach. Content marketing, but also rely on other methods to get eyeballs on your content. Follow those steps and you will have an effective approach to content marketing. Number 2, it's simple but effective: email marketing. A recent study by Radicati predicted that over 4.3 billion people will have email addresses by 2024. Does it make sense to include email marketing in your basic marketing plan for your business? Yes, it does. Email is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to bring people into your sales funnel. And in 2023, it's never been easier to get started in email marketing. With the tools like MailChimp, Constant Contact, Drip, there are so many easy softwares out there that will help you create beautiful looking and effective email marketing campaigns. Step 1 is to choose an email marketing software that you like the best. Do your research, do your homework, and see what's the best fit for your specific type of business. 2, grow your email list by using bait, like free ebooks or online guides that people can download if they give you their email address. Grow this list and then add it to MailChimp or whatever software you're using and keep building it and keep these people coming back for more by giving them value and plugging in a few special offers and promos. All that's left is for you to construct crafty emails to send to your audience and measure for success. Measure the results and see what you can do to make each email more effective than the last one. Cold emailing does work eventually, but if you can use warm leads generated from Bait, your free ebooks, then your email marketing will be much more effective. Number 3, social media marketing. In Instead of blasting your content for your business on every social media channel you can get on, why don't you pick one or two that your target audience is on and create really compelling, really high quality content for that specific platform? A recent study by Statista showed that over 38% of users on TikTok made a purchase after seeing a really compelling ad. That's a massive number if you think about it. Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts have a really good ecosystem for you as a content creator to grow your brand. So, what can you do to improve your social media marketing strategy for 2023? Step one is to know your target audience. Know who your target audience is, how you're trying to reach them, and what you want to say to them. You need to learn what kind of content you create that will speak to them personally. Next, integrate this into your social media content plan. Don't just create content though. Engage and build a community with your followers and your subscribers every single time and interact with them on your posts. Also, you could consider doing micro-influencer promotions. Those are really popular on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all kinds of ways. Creative ways to help other creators get behind you and your product and get their followers' eyeballs on it. Micro-influencing promotions can be a really good way for you to give your social media presence a little bit of a boost and help get a small creator backing you. And lastly, failing to plan is planning to fail. You need to have a content plan laid out for your social media content that you're going to be creating. You need to create a schedule and stick to it, because creating a post every other week or every other month is not going to get you anywhere on social media unless it's like Mark Rober and is insanely high quality. Follow those steps and your social media marketing will be more effective in 2023. Number 4, offline marketing. Not online, offline. Many people think that offline marketing is not a viable channel for getting sales for their business, but that is so far from the truth. A recent study by Pew actually showed that there are over 10% of adults who don't even use the internet. That means that there's over 10% of adults that you could reach for marketing that aren't on social media. Offline advertising was an absolute powerhouse for our brand. I joined an offline advertising networking group where I met a handful of small business owners. I met about 35 of them, and in about a 3-month period of joining this group, we brought in over $60,000 in extra revenue just from being involved in offline marketing. So I know how effective it is. Popular offline marketing events include going to local events like your Chamber of Commerce, BNI, or doing like local giveaways at charities. You can also do print advertising pieces to get offline or direct mail. And this one's not fun, but it is effective if you get good at it, and that's cold calling. You can also do things like billboards, radio, or television ads if your business has the right product or service. Like you think of Scrub Daddy. Scrub Daddy's TV ads have been amazing whenever he partnered with his investor from Shark Tank, and they have taken that business from a couple $100,000 a year to over $100 million a year. You can also funnel people from offline online. Whenever you're at these local events, get them connected with your social media and your website. Show them what your brand has to offer them and how you can solve their problem using the internet. Get them connected to online. Add value. And the last one, number 5, community building. In 1983, Harley-Davidson was going bankrupt. 25 years later, they are now a multi-billion-dollar company. All of this is a result of community building. A brand community is a group of people, ideally like your target audience or customers, that come together to support a brand that they like and love. Nowadays, almost every single leading brand has this one factor in common. You look at Xbox, Starbucks, Disney, Netflix, they all have customers that love and support the brand, and they've built a community around their brand. Having a strong community approach to your brand can have a lot of awesome benefits. You got to keep in mind, if you want to build a community around your brand, it's going to take time. You have to be patient, consistent, and put in a lot of effort to do this. You need to engage and interact with your brand on a daily basis. Just acknowledging contributions from people in your community is not good enough. You have to engage and humanize your brand by listening, making changes and adjustments to what you hear, and by being fully transparent with your community. And lastly, whenever you're building your community, remember that having a community approach is all about the customer and not your brand. So avoid being a pushy salesman in your approach to building your community online. Talk about things other than your brand and your product, and try to to focus on building relationships with people in your community. If you follow the 5 marketing strategies, or a couple of them from what we went over in this video today, you will be one step closer to having a successful marketing approach for your brand in 2023. Instead of choosing to implement all 5 of these marketing strategies, pick 1 or 2 and get really good at them, and then consider adding on another. Don't bite off more than you can chew. It's better to do one thing really well than 5 things in a mediocre way. I hope this helped you on your entrepreneurial journey. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to @HarryStanley3 and DM me or comment below if you have any questions. If you like this video, subscribe for more inquisitive content just like this. I'll see you in the next one. Harry Stanley 3 out.